Warning, simple video ahead. No script, no editing, just electronics. Do not watch if you might be offended. If, however, you really like to see innards of electronics, then hello again, and please continue. Hi, here is something nice. The CompuRhythm CR-78 by Roland. It is a very early drum computer or something like that. And here is the inside of it. We have an old battery. Seems like it is leaking, but it's not too bad. Very interesting. This is a microchip by NEC. Beautiful. It is in original condition except for the power socket. This is not original. Else it seems like to be in a very nice untouched condition. That's how I like it. And this is the bottom side. Nothing too fancy. But there's a funny story behind this unit. I've bought it on a flea market. It was rather cheap and I thought maybe I can sell this one on eBay because Roland is, this is something people are searching for. I didn't knew this kind of model. And luckily this is kinda expensive. It was a good buy, really. Let's power it up slowly using the Variac. Is there something burning, smoking? No. That's great. Power switch is on, lamp is on. Look! Woohoo! Giving some time to the capacitors to reformate. And well, seems like it is working. Great. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I have absolutely no clue. Okay, I have hooked it up to the audio system. Let's see if there's something coming out here. But I really have no idea what I'm doing. Start, stop, measure, variation. Is there something? No. Hey! There's something. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is, I know it, this is Genesis. Yeah, now we are talking. That's it for today. Bye.